Pineapple leaves. Can you imagine how these leaves can make prosthetic sockets more sustainable? This is a prosthesis. The prosthetic socket is this component that connects the prosthesis to the body, providing comfort, stability, and control. But traditionally, these sockets are made from materials like carbon fiber composites that pose environmental and health risk. This is what I want to change. There are three main challenges. First, producing carbon fiber generates a lot of greenhouse gas emissions. Second, the high cost. The process uses so much energy that it becomes too expensive for many prosthetic centers in low and middle income countries. And thirdly, the production process itself is unhealthy for workers because it releases harmful gases and dust. Luckily, there is an alternative: pineapple leaves. Pineapple leaves can be a game changer. Why? Because they contain strong natural fibers that we can use to create eco-friendly prosthetic sockets. In my research, I'm developing a socket using pineapple leaf fiber combined with eco-resin derived from plant sources. So far, we have successfully created a pineapple leaf fiber composite. Our next step is to use this innovative material to produce a prosthetic socket. So, yes, we can make prosthetic sockets more sustainable and accessible, especially for prosthetic centers in low and middle income countries. In this way, we contribute to a future where sustainability supports innovation using pineapple leaves.